Get excited about the 2013 Honda Accord. This two-door, five-passenger coupe still has less than 35,000 miles. Honda made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. All of the premium features expected of a Honda are offered, including speed-sensitive wipers, fully automatic headlights, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.